Medemove, keeping you on the move.
Here we will demonstrate how to measure the size and wear Medemove clavicle brace with Velcro. The clavicle brace with Velcro is available in these sizes. Measure the circumference below your underarms and around the chest. Now let us see how to wear the Medemove clavicle brace with Velcro. Unfasten the straps and ensure the pad is placed in the middle of your back. Make certain the provided strap is firmly placed around your shoulder and under the armpit. Secure the strap through the buckle and adjust the Velcro to fit firmly, ensuring maximum support to the clavicle area. Medemove clavicle brace can be worn in case of clavicle fracture, post-operative care of the clavicle, immobilization of the clavicle area, and for correcting the posture of stooping shoulders. Now let us see how to remove the clavicle brace with Velcro. Simply unfasten the hook and loop closure, enabling easy removal.
We hope that you found this video helpful. For any queries, you can write to us at onlinesupport@medequip.co.in. For more information, log on to www.medequip.co.in.